mama, you got hella ass. You ain't gonna twerk this.
That was dumb. Hope you got that.
Blasphemy. Blasphemous.
Are you playing with your life or not? Because I got
my cousin was ready for it to just have in. We was gonna spin.
That's a Coke.
Oh, you said coke. Cocaina.
Look at this dog.
Annoying me.
This dog is super
We should
cute.
steal it. You better hold on to him, sir.
Okay, you got from.
Been super patient, super understanding with the humans on the road. Get your ass out the
Right back.
Get what? I have a water in. What do you want, pictures or video? This.
First off, my big butt in the basket is gonna knock everything over. That was dumb. Hope you got that.
I don't know if I. Oh no, no,
R.I.P. my 9th toenail.
I think you should just take it all off.
$2.78. Now I want to get this too.
So you want to pay $2.78 for that, but you won't give me Brookside chocolate when I ask for it at the
No,
checkout?
that should be like $15.
It's too.
I'm not buying no nothing. I can't see how it works.
Oh, I used to love those.
Yeah, but they have for 2 people. So then you get momentum.
Momentum. And that's just that on that.
I like your back tattoo.
Thank you. My booty keeps vibrating.
Her butt, guys.
So here today in aisle 7, we are discussing the beauty of refilling your lighters with propane. Did you know? I really don't care about filling up the lighters with propane. I'll just buy a new one. But her here,
I was just told it was a possibility, and because it's a possibility, and I'm a curious person, let's see what happens here.
so here's the thing. So I feel like it's really messy. And
It
I don't wanna do
does,
anything
no.
like
So
that.
it has a little pin,
Okay.
and in there is a little hole. I suspect you just shove it in there.
Ooh.
Yeah, it
You
sounds
shut it,
dangerous to
guys.
me.
It
I'm
sounds
really not
dangerous to
into
me.
it.
I think I'm gonna skip
I'll
this
just
and get
buy
the dollar
another
store lighter.
That deep.
Yeah, Target, y'all can keep the propane. I really hope on tonight's episode of Power they remixed the intro, did they?
He said he's changing it.
No, that came out.
She missed it completely.
That's it.
No, not you, her.
Oh.
She would have seen it, and if she would have been looking, I would have hit this shit.
Right, everybody would have been hitting that. Like, what are you doing? What are they sitting over there doing? What are they talking about? Why do they have a camera? We're just going for it. We're taking a shot. Let's start ready. I think we're okay so far. Don't worry about it.
Okay, we out. That would be the polite thing to do, so we're not like the people.
The lady with the buggy.
The lady was so pretty.
Do you need a calendar for your room? 'Cause I think you do. So you want the calendar?
No.
Bye, baby. Bye. Bye. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes. Don't say my name no more. Bye, girl. It's false alarm.
What, these?
Yes.
I have these.
There's because the
Okay,
babies are
guys,
all on my
We're gonna go surprise my mom and snatch her of her favorite pins. Well, they were actually my favorite first, but of course she had to hop on the bandwagon. Okay, I know.
Dad on Target.
Do you love it? Do you love it?
What is this? What size is this? This is way too big.
No, it's not.
It's not? I'm sorry. In my mind, she need dog clothes.
That's 4th of July.
I was crazy. Your mom is retarded. Better with something. You didn't get her no.
Cassidy, we're not gonna start.
To Target to vlog at Target.
What are you doing?
Why would you hit her with that shit? No.
It's okay.
No. Where you
Yeah, get that out your mouth.
Get that out your mouth.
at? Oh, okay. When you coming home?
No.
Oh.
Come on.
She's so goofy.
Come on. What you gonna do about it now?
I don't know how many times today I gotta put on lip gloss, but I'm over it. I am over it. Boo boo her now.
Yeah.
Oh, pull the strap. I'm not even hurting you. You just don't want me to touch it. Pull the black.
Yeah.
No, you stop.
Oh,
Girl.
Mom,
What?
What's your thing?
What?
that baby.
You have to put your seatbelt on. There's no, she's not sitting up straight. Because she's not trying to sit in this goddamn thing, so she's doing too much. Lift her ass up.
don't talk to her.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And we're gonna ride on the little cart, okay?
Okay.
No, I'm not talking to you.
No, you can't just see. That's what you can't do. First of all, those carts are not for kids. So no. Like, no.
I'm hurt.
No, you're not hurt. And I'm not about to be the fucking family who lets their kids ride the handicap things who ain't fucking handicapped. No.
I'll be so blue.
What the?
On the road again.
On the road again.
Again.
Is the camera all the way?
When I'm saying let's go to Maury, and I really, really, really intend for us to get a vacation.
I don't want to go to
I
Maury.
see that happen.
Why?
I want to go to Maury.
I do too. Okay. We gonna get you all set up? Yeah. Oh yeah. See? Yeah. We're gonna wipe it down. You ready, baby?
No, you can't get out.
That ain't your that bad.
Please get all of this. I hate this every year. Spice everything.
Pumpkin
And
spice
wait for
special
her.
K. Pumpkin spice coffee and spice.
And
Vita
Oreo.
pumpkin spice. Maple creme Oreos and pumpkin spice Oreos.
You gotta.
Wow.
Yeah.
See.
I love anything Bali. I hope it smells good. Ooh.
Macaroon. And it smells like Christmas.
Let's smell it. It does smell like Christmas. Cass, does it smell like Christmas?
It smells like Christmas, huh?
Hey, they really have a whole Christmas section. I'm ready for them to stop.
I love that made her nasty. I love the packaging. It's so cute. This color is like the bomb.com. But it stinks.
It smells horrible.
It don't smell like anything that I would want in my house. I would just keep it for the packaging purpose. Look at these.
I love. Hello, look at it's our season, guys. Then God created the Virgo. How much do you love the Virgo in your life? Go ahead, I'm right here. How much do you love the Virgo in your life? Just talk to me. I'm the Virgo in your life, bitch.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
And what else?
They're very kind people. They're just great, amazing people. Yeah.
Like the best people probably in your whole life.
Or I could have.
Layla, you hit her?
No.
Oh.
Oh, please.
Oh, look at my little studios, girl. It's half off for $29.98. Originally $60 whole dollars. Okay, whatever. Oh, what you got to say? Channel 5 reporting live. I love this bougie tray.
I know.
You know I love a good tray in my house.
Beautiful.
So cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
For when you're cooking.
Yeah, but I'm not paying these prices.
Does it light up? I don't want it. It doesn't light up.
But you can mix regular string lights with this.
Oh, that would be cute.
Stop touching me, it's
Like
weird.
we're focusing on me. Samaya Favaya. This is Samaya's vlog. Just the extras, you know.
To be driving reckless.
Let me see.
She gonna crash them kids. Layla's driving recklessly. Target has really stepped its game up. I want something from every section. I want something from the men's section. I want something from the women's section. I want something from the kids section. Okay, so I'm doing panty shopping for Layla. She is so finicky about her underwear. I'm about sick of it. So, wherever my purse at, give it here. I don't know if I should get her a size 5 or a size 6. I don't know. So they have this pack. Okay, or they have this pack. She immediately knew that she wanted the unicorn. That's what we'll grab. Hi, baby. What kind of Layla are you today?
Scientist Layla. Layla.
So we got the panties, which is cool because you needed panties really bad, right? There's 5 pairs, so that's 1 for every day of the school week. Can you touch them and feel how soft they are for me?
No.
Do you like that? That's like the softest ones they have. Damn, little mama, you got hella ass. You ain't gonna twerk then? Not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom.
Me too.
What do you call yourself? Mom. Well, I'm also a MILF, but
Right.
an OG MILF out here.
Oh, please, you say anything. Don't do that. Lord have mercy.
So soft.
It feels so good.
They want a lot of money for all this.
You know how bad I need a water bottle?
How bad? These is the ones.
Right.
Look, these fit me. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy, can I have this pajama? It's so cute.
Cassidy,
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
you messing with Layla?
Oh, baby.
No, you can't ride up there. Hey, tie your shoes.
I don't know how.
Then come get help. Who are you talking to? I am not just gonna buy everything you want.
No candy.
Y'all been arguing about this the whole time?
No.
You can get baby.
No, baby.
No.
Ooh,
Dang.
What'd you say?
Yes, you are. You're pushing it right now.
Uh-huh.
You're moving my hand. You talk back, shut it.
So we on YouTube?
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
All right. Should be aggressive with the hive.
Baby. I'm going on. Hi.
Regular size.
Hi. Hi.
Hi there.
I'm scared.
Are you gonna get something?
No. I got some boo-boo.
TMI, Cassidy.
TMI.
Too much information. Yeah, they don't sell them here.
Can you order them?
Yes.
When?
When I get a check.
I just want you to be very careful, Lay.
I will.
Your track record is a little sketchy.
Little sketch.
So I just
sketch.
wanna.
Come
here, baby. Come here.
Empty of food.
Come here.
And if I'm shopping anyway, I should. Don't keep us away from each other.
Oh, what happened there, Lay?
Layla, can I look at it?
No.
How will we know if you're blind? How will we know? How will we know? You're fine.
Smiling. I think she's not that blind.
Yeah, I did fine.
Oh my goodness. Cassidy, you sure can call it.
So I'll just take a picture and make him buy them. Yeah.
Cassidy. It's Cookie. It's Cookie. Yes. Hi, Cookie. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Come on. Oh, look, this is perfect. Yup, that's the winner. Or do you want this one? You want that one?
No, okay.
Oh, okay. You want to get your own? Oh, okay.
That's enough.
Cheese. Oh, you want your cousin? That was so mean. Bullying.
Oh, look. Look at that. I have exactly the amount of bags I need.
Bring your reusable bags, guys. Boo, 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 boo. Boopity boo, boo, boo. Save the planet. We're dying in 18 months. All of us.
At least we'll die together.
Oh my goodness.
But I didn't get to do nothing yet. I didn't get to travel. I didn't get to get my first apartment. I didn't get to...
Hold on real quick.